Hello everyone, so myself Anupa Gore from ASSE and today I'm here in Dubai with my student Tresha. Hello
Hi.
Tresha.
Hi.
Yeah, so Tresha has completed a Masters in Artificial Intelligence from UNITWAD University and she's here to share her experience. So Tresha, we would like to know from you as to how was your experience while you were doing your degree?
So it was really an amazing experience. So here, compared to India, we had more of a practical experience. So I was able to learn more and implement what I have learned. So it was a really good experience for me overall. And over here, I was able to, as I was working, I was able to do my studies during the evening. We have evening classes over here. So I was able to manage both of them together. And
Great.
that's it.
Great. So Tresha was working full time and parallelly she also could pursue her degree and I think she is going to get her degree in the coming week. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how is this place, because I have seen many students, especially boys, coming here and then they're pursuing their degree. But what would you say, being a girl, how do you find this place?
This is a super safe place to be here. Even at night, not even 12, 3 or 4, I can go out for a walk and I don't have to be afraid. There are like police patrolling around, so it's very safe over here. So I would suggest more of them to come here and pursue the studies. Even the education over here is really good. The university that I studied in, Heriot-Watt, the teaching, the way they used to teach us, the materials they used to give us to study, it was really amazing. I was able to study a lot better and gain more knowledge compared to what I studied back in India.
Okay.
So I would suggest a lot of people to come here and do their masters or even their bachelors and we get to connect to many people.
Right.
And also we have many industrial people coming here. Like for example, when I was studying, people from Google, IBM, Oracle, they came and gave us a session on how they work, practical experience, share their practical experience with us, which didn't happen back in India.
Yeah, right.
So it was really good experience.
So a lot of experience,
Yes.
and as you mentioned, you were also working full time, so you could also manage your living expenses as well.
Yes.
Right. So when it comes to tuition fees and living expenses, you didn't spend much, right?
Comparatively, I didn't spend much because I was able to pay it on monthly basis because I was working here in 19 checks. So that was a good relief for me. I didn't have a lot of burden to put on my parents. I was able to manage it all by myself.
Great. So it's really nice to see Tresha being very successful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tresha.
Thank you.